Hello guys, this is Balaji. This is also Balaji. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Edit with Balaji. In this video, you can learn how to split videos like this and how to make this masking effect and how to make news reading effect by right side or left side like this and how to make transition videos like this video to this video and finally this zoom out transition also. Before going to the video, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. First of all, we see how to make this video splitting effect. Now come to this masking effect. Now let us see this news reading effect by right side or left side. Now we can see this transformation effect. This kind of zoom out effect. You can also make like this. If you're getting some editing knowledge from this video, like this video and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in next video.